like I said, we've got the brand new Topps Premier League 26 Star Pack. One gold line card inside, stacked with more autograph cards than ever. There's a few other designs there, autographs. Also, 10 cards binder checklist. Now with more hits than ever before. Super stacked with genuine autograph, number parallels, epic rookie class, Chrome King legends, much more. Ego packs, mega multi packs, mega tins, and super tins. These cost £11.99 for a starter pack. Got the binder out. There's the rest of the stuff. So we've got our normal 9-page binder. Pack of cards and our lion card, our golden lion. What's this? Oh, this is a checklist. Hall of Fame editions. Arsenal, Aston Villa, Bournemouth, Brentford, Brighton, Chelsea, Crystal Palace, Everton, Fulham, Liverpool, Man City, Man United, Newcastle, Nottingham Forest, Tottenham, West Ham. What have we got here? Aha! Welcome to the parallel universe. So it looks like there's base blue, yellow and green. And there's no sequence numbered. Then you've got all the base parallels there. Common insert parallels, uncommon insert parallels, autograph cards, more base parallels. But that size exclusive to box packs, exclusive to packs from Eco Packs, Mega Multi Packs, Starter Packs, and Mega Tins and Super Tins and Golden Boot Tins. We've got limited edition cards. Exclusive available at Topps. So base image variations. And that's what the Golden Boot Tin looks like. The countdown calendar. Get ready for the hobby in September. So a month away, not even that nowadays. About 20 days. That's what some of the numbered hits look like. That's what the Topps Chrome cards look like. I like the locked in one from Mamouche. Looks quite cool. Or even that one there. Patrick Doggy one. This is the rest of the checklist. So we've got Wolves, Burnley, okay, Leeds and Sunderland. Then we've got Pro Partnership, Retro Threads, Beast Mode, Headline, Chrome Kings, Golden Lion, Classic Limited Edition, Gold Machine, and all those editions. Festive ones, ultra rare ones there. Let's get in to the pack. So we've got Bruno Fernandes start off, Gomez, Bruno Guimaraes. Oh, we've got a retro thread from Mark Noble, Simon Adingra and Mitoma, Phil Foden. Oh, that's what the parallel looks like then. An elite one. So look at the Golden Lion. I don't know if it's worth doing at the back, in case there's any information. We've got Cole Palmer. A nice texture to it. They feel a bit more thicker as well compared to a base card. Don't forget guys to drop a like, subscribe, and you'll see you in more videos.